Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving question on quantitative aptitude topic numbers. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. These topics are useful for all competitive exams like Bank PO, RRB, Railways, SSC CGL and many government job exams. These videos are extremely useful for all entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT and many more. In this video, we are going to solve how to find remainders. Our question is, when a number n is divided by 11, the remainder is 8. What will be the remainder when n square is divided by the same number 11? The given options are option A 7, option B 8, option C 10, option D 9. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. When n is divided by 11, the remainder is 8. When n square is divided by 11, the remainder will be 8 square. And 8 square equal to 64. Since 64 is greater than 11, so we have to divide 64 by 11 to find the final remainder. And 11 times 5 is 55. And when 55 is subtracted from 64, we get the remainder 9. Hence, when n square is divided by 11, the remainder will be 9. And from the given options, our answer will be option D 9. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, when a number n is divided by 13, the remainder is 11. What will be the remainder when 2n square is divided by the same number 13? The given options are option A 8, option B 7, option C 11, option D 9. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. When n is divided by 13, the remainder is 11. When 2n square is divided by 13, the remainder will be 2 times 11 square. And 2 times 11 square is 121 and 121 times 2 is 242. But 13 is less than 242. So for finding the final remainder, we have to divide 242 by 13. 13 times 1 is 13. And when subtracted from 24, we get 11. And we carry 2. 13 times 8 is 104. And when 104 is subtracted from 112, we get 8 as remainder. So this will be our final remainder when 2n square is divided by 13. And from the given options, our answer is option A 8. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, when a number n is divided by 7, the remainder is 5. What will be the remainder when n square plus n is divided by the same number 7? The given options are option A 1, option B 2, option C 5, option D 6. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. N when divided by 7, the remainder is 5. When n square plus n is divided by 7, then the remainder will be 5 square plus 5. And 5 square is 25 plus 5 is 30. As 30 is greater than 7, so we have to again divide 30 by 7, and 7 times 4 is 28, and 28 when subtracted from 30, the remainder is 2. It means that when n square plus n is divided by 7, the remainder will be 2. And from the given options, our answer will be option B, 2. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, when number A, B and C are divided by 17, the remainders are 13, 11 and 7 respectively. What will be remainder when number 2A plus 3B plus C is divided by 17? The given options are option A 15, option B 16, option C 13, option D 14. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. When A is divided by 17, the remainder is 13. Therefore, 2A when divided by 17, the remainder will be twice of 13, which is 26. Similarly, when B is divided by 17, the remainder is 11. Therefore, when 3B is divided by 17, the remainder will be 3 times of 11, which is 33. And when C is divided by 17, the remainder is 7. Therefore, when 2A plus 3B plus C is divided by 17, the remainders are 26 plus 33 plus 7. And this is equal to 33 plus 7 is 40 plus 26 is 66. And when 66 is divided by 17, as 17 is less than 66, so we have to divide again the 66 by 17, and 17 times 3 is 51, and when subtracted 51 from 66, we get remainder 15. Therefore, when 2A plus 3B plus C is divided by 17, we are going to get the remainder 15. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 15. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, when number n is divided by x, the remainder is 14. When n square is divided by x, the remainder is 4. For this, how many values of x are possible? The given options are option A 9, option B 6, option C 8, option D 7. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. When n is divided by x, the remainder is 14. Therefore, when n square is divided by x, then remainder must be 14 square. That is equal to 196. But the remainder is 4. Therefore, 196 minus 4 is 192, and 192 must be divisible by x, then only the remainder will be 4. And it means that all the factors of 192 may be the value of x. Now 192 can be factorized as 2 to the power 6 into 3. It means that the total number of factors of 192 are 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. As the power of 2 is 6, so the factors are 6 plus 1, and power of 3 is 1, so it is 1 plus 1. This is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. 7 times 2 is 14. So there will be 14 factors. And what those factors will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48, 64, 96 and 192. These are total 14 factors of 192. But as given in the question, when n is divided by x, the remainder is 14. It means that all the values which are less than 14 cannot be the value of x, and those values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. So these values are not possible of x. These are not possible, the values of x, as the remainder has to be 14, and for 14 to be the remainder, the divisor cannot be less than 14. It means that all the values more than 14 are the possible values of x. So these values are 16, 24, 32, 48, 64, 96 and 192. These are 7 values. Therefore, x has possible 7 values. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 7 values. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, when natural numbers a, b and c are divided by 29, the remainders are 19, 21 and 23 respectively. What will be the remainders when number 4a minus 3b plus 2c is divided by 29? The given options are option A 15, option B 7, option C 1, option D 13. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. When A is divided by 29, the remainder is 19. And when B is divided by 29, the remainder is 21. And when C is divided by 29, the remainder is 23. Therefore, when 4a is divided by 19, so 4a will give the remainder 4 times 19. 3b will give the remainder 3 times 21. And 2c will give the remainder 2 times 23. So these are equal to 4 times 19 is 76, 3 times 21 is 63 and 2 times 23 is 46. Therefore, 4a minus 3b plus 2c is equal to 76 minus 63 plus 46, and this is equal to 76 minus 63 is 13 and 13 plus 46 is 59, and 59 divided by 29 is 29 times 2 is 58, and remainder is 1. 59 minus 58 equal to 1. So from the given options, our answer will be option C, 1. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, what will be the remainder when 7 to the power n plus 14n plus 11 is divided by 7? Here n is a natural number. The given options are option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D 7. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Here the given number is 7 to the power n plus 14n plus 11. We know that any power of 7 is multiple of 7 basically. So this number 7n is divisible by 7 and remainder will be 0. Here the remainder is 0 plus 14n. As 14 is multiple of 7, therefore 14n is also multiple of 7. Hence the remainder here is also 0. Now we have to find the remainder when 11 is divided by 7. So when 11 is divided by 7, then 7 times 1 is 7 and 11 minus 7 is 4. So the remainder will be 4 here. So overall the remainder is 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. It was that easy question. Hence 7 to the power n plus 14n plus 11 when divided by 7 leaves the remainder 4, and from the given options our answer is option A 4. Hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions and the logic behind it. We go to the next question. Our question is, when number n is divided by x, the remainder is 28. When number 3n is divided by x, the remainder is 8. Find the remainder when number 4n is divided by x. The given options are option A 36, option B 34, option C 28, option D 24. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. When n is divided by x, the remainder is 28. Therefore, when 3n is divided by x, then the remainder will be 3 times of 28. 3 multiplied by 28 is 84. But actual remainder is 8. So 84 minus 8 equal to 76. And this 76 must be divisible by x. It means that the x will have the value more than 28 and less than or equal to 76, and those values are 38 and 76. So x can have the value 38 and 76 because x cannot be less than 28 as the remainder is 28 and divisor cannot be less than remainder. So the value of x can be 38 and 76. Now what will be the remainder when 4n is divided by x? So 4n gives the remainder 4 times 28 and this is equal to 112. So the remainder will be whatever 112 is divided by 38 or 76. 112 when divided by 76 is 76 times 1 is 76 and remainder will be 36. 76 when subtracted from 112 gives us 36. And when 112 is divided by 38, then also the remainder will be the same, 36. Hence, when 4n is divided by x, the remainder will be 36. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 36. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.